U.S. Army to enhance M-SHORAD short-range air defense systems based on lessons from Ukraine conflict. According to a U.S. Congress report published in January 2025, the U.S. Army plans to adapt and enhance its maneuver short-range air defense M-SHORAD system based on valuable lessons from the ongoing Ukraine conflict. The evolving nature of air threats, such as the extensive use of unmanned aerial systems UAS, loitering munitions, and other low-altitude air threats, has underlined the need for modernized air defense systems. These systems, including military and commercial UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, are employed in both kinetic and non-kinetic roles, highlighting the growing complexity of air threats. The U.S. Army intends to incorporate these lessons into the M-SHORAD's future development to ensure the system is better equipped to handle such challenges, particularly regarding the increasing use of drones and loitering munitions. In February 2024, the U.S. Army deployed 4 Stryker-mounted 50 kW laser to M-SHORAD prototypes to the Middle East for soldiers to test the system's performance against aerial threats. Initial soldier feedback was characterized as not overwhelmingly positive, with officials suggesting that results from the lab environment and test ranges are very different from the tactical environment. This feedback suggests that while the system may have shown potential in controlled testing, it faced challenges in real-world operational conditions. The U.S. Army continues to refine this technology, with a decision on a future enduring high-energy laser HEL system slated for 2026. The M-SHORAD system itself is a key part of the U.S. Army's short-range air defense strategy, designed to provide air defense against low-altitude threats, including rotary-wing aircraft, fixed-wing UAVs, and short-range ballistic missiles. The U.S. Army has been developing the system in increments, with each phase offering increased capabilities to meet evolving threats. Initially, the U.S. Army planned to field 144 M-SHORAD Increment 1 systems across 4 battalions, each equipped with 40 units, as well as support vehicles and personnel. The first systems were delivered to the 5th Battalion, 4th Air Defense Artillery Regiment in 2021, with full operational capability achieved by late 2022. By 2024, the U.S. Army had started to deliver additional M-SHORAD systems as part of the planned expansion of the fleet. These deliveries were integral to the Army's ongoing efforts to build up its air defense capabilities, ensuring that each battalion is fully equipped with the necessary vehicles, radar systems, and armament. In total, the U.S. Army intends to procure up to 162 M-SHORAD systems, with plans to expand the fleet to as many as 361 systems, depending on future decisions. The additional systems being delivered in 2024 are part of this ongoing expansion, aiming to improve the Army's ability to counter low-altitude air threats in both domestic and overseas deployments. The M-SHORAD Increment 1, based on the M1126 Stryker combat vehicle chassis, is equipped with a range of armaments, including 2 AGM-114L Longbow Hellfire missiles, 4 FIM-92 Stinger missiles, a 30mm automatic cannon, and a 7.62mm M240 machine gun. The system also features a multi-mission radar capable of tracking both ground and aerial threats. However, the U.S. Army is planning to retrofit the system by replacing the Hellfire missile launcher due to concerns about wear and tear, which has led to potential safety issues. This retrofit will involve swapping the Hellfire launcher for a second Stinger missile pod, bringing the total number of Stinger missiles to 8 per vehicle. Looking ahead, M-SHORAD Increment 2 will incorporate a 50 kW directed energy laser system, representing a significant leap in air defense technology. The laser is designed to engage aerial threats as well as artillery and rockets, although there have been challenges in defending against these additional threats. The 50 kW laser system has been undergoing testing since 2019, and while it has proven effective against drones, it has not been as successful in countering other types of short-range threats like rockets and artillery. In response to these challenges, the U.S. Army continues to refine the laser system, with a decision on a future enduring high-energy laser HEL system expected by 2026. The next phase, M-SHORAD Increment 3, will introduce the next-generation short-range interceptor M-SHORAD to replace the FIM-92 Stinger missile, offering improved engagement range and accuracy. Additionally, the system will incorporate the XM1223 Multi-Mode Proximity Airburst Munition MMPA, which can target air, ground, and personnel threats. In March 2023, Lockheed Martin and Raytheon Technologies were selected to develop competing prototypes of the M-SHORAD, with the first operational demonstration scheduled for FY 2026 and production expected to begin in 2027. The U.S. Army also issued a request for information RFI in May 2024 for M-SHORAD Increment 4, which aims to provide air defense capabilities for dismounted units. This increment will focus on creating a portable and deployable solution that can be airlifted via C-130 aircraft and integrated onto platforms such as the Joint Light Tactical